Hello and welcome everyone. In this video we will solve an example of one-dimensional heat equation using an explicit finite difference scheme. Let's say we have a thin rod of length 1 and the temperature distribution on the rod is represented by the variable u, which is a function of both time and space. We assume that we know the temperature at time t equals to 0, which is the initial condition. And we also know that at both endpoints, the temperature remains fixed at 0 for all values of t. These are our boundary conditions. Now we can study the heat transfer or diffusion process on the rod by solving the one-dimensional heat equation. We can plot the values of u at time t equals to 0 using the given condition, and we can see that at both endpoints the temperature is 0. Whereas it is maximum at the center of the rod. Here, our variable is a function of both time and space, so we discretize our grid such that one axis represents time and the other axis represents the space variable x. The grid spacing for x is delta x and for time it is delta t. Then we can approximate the first derivatives with respect to time and x at point tn xi using forward, backward, and central finite difference schemes. Similarly, we can approximate the second derivatives using the finite differences. Using this approximation and the forward difference approximation for u of t in the heat equation and setting alpha equals to delta t divided by delta x squared, we can get the explicit solution. This solution will be stable if delta t is chosen to be less than 0.5 delta x squared. We can see in the explicit solution that the values are computed forward in time using quantities from the previous time steps. We can write a small Python program to find the solution for t values from 0 to 0.2. We can see from the solution that the initial heat distribution represented by sine of pi x gradually dissipates over time due to heat conduction along the rod with both ends held at a constant temperature of 0. With this, we conclude our video. Thanks for watching and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.